Why my 2026 scholarship applicants draw closer? This video is for you. So today I would walk you through the 2026 scholarships that would expire in April. We'll be considering the benefits, applications, requirements, and application deadline, and all you need to know about these scholarships. My name is Faith and this is Scholarship Tab. So please, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so. Turn on your notification, like this video, and share to your friends, families, and loved ones. Stay tuned as we dive in. Don't go anywhere. So the first on my list is the Australia Award Scholarships for 2026. It is fully funded and it's for both undergraduate and postgraduate students. So if you're going for your master's or your PhD, you're eligible to apply for the scholarships. Now it covers your flight tickets. It also covers for one's payments as a contribution to your accommodation, feeding, textbooks, and every other thing you'll be needing while you study in Australia. It also covers for your pre-course English fees. Yes, if it's available or if you need to take that, it covers for that also. And you must be 18 years to be eligible to apply for any of the programs for these scholarships. And you must also not be a citizen of Australia. So that means you must be a foreigner, you must be an international student applying for the scholarships, and you must be a citizen of the participating country. It is listed on the Australia website. You can do well to check that out. And we've also listed all the criteria and eligibility and made a well-detailed video about the scholarship. So the link will be on the description. Please do well to click on it so as to get more information about this scholarship. And don't forget, the deadline is on the 30th of April. Okay, so the second on my list here is the 2026 Government of India ICCR Scholarships for international students. It is a fully funded scholarships for undergraduate and postgraduate applicants. So you're going for your undergraduate studies, your master's, and your PhD. This scholarship is for you. It covers your tuition fee, your living expenses and stipends, your airfare, your housing and accommodation, and a health insurance for you. And the eligibility criteria for this scholarship, that's the requirement, is that your passport, your international passport, have to have or should have a minimum of 2 years as on 1st of July 2026. And if you have an Indian citizenship or origin, or you studied there for your undergraduate study, this scholarship is not for you. You're not eligible for the scholarship. And proficiency in English language, and you can upload your TOEFL, your IELTS results from your English test. And the age requirement is that you have to the minimum age of 18 years if you're going for your undergraduate study, and if you're going for your master's degree, a maximum age of 35. So if you're 35 years old and above, you're above 35 years old, you're not eligible to apply for a master's degree on the scholarship. And if you're 18 years and above to 35 years, you're eligible. But if you're above 35, you're also not eligible to apply for the undergraduate study in the scholarship. And if you're 40 years old, you're eligible for this scholarship for your PhD degree. So anything above the age of 40, you're not eligible for your PhD degree. And as we've seen earlier, the scholarship is in India and the application deadline is on the 15th of April 2026. So please do well to make your application before this deadline. Okay, so we've made a well-detailed video on our YouTube channel, and we also uploaded the scholarship on our website. So the link is in our description below. So please do well to check it out so you can get more information about this scholarship and all you need to know before the application deadline. So please do well to do that so as to make your application as quick as possible. Okay, so the third scholarship on my list here is the Global Korean Scholarship. So this scholarship is for postgraduate applicants for both master's and PhD degree. Yeah, and it's a fully funded scholarship by the Korean government for international students. And this scholarship covers your airfare, which is your economy class flights to and fro your program, and also your tuition is covered up to 5 million Korea won, right? And it also has a study incentive as seen here. So the if you're going for a Korean language program, it covers up to 14,400,000 per year of Korea won per year. So this is the amount that will be given to you if you're going for the Korean language study. And if you're going for a graduate degree program, you'll be given a 16,560,000 Korea won per year. And if you're going for a research program, you'll be given 20,880,000 Korea won per year if you're going for a research degree program, right? So these are the benefits of this scholarship and many others. Please do well to check our website and also our YouTube channel. We've made a video about the scholarship too. Please don't forget the link is in the description. And please, let's not forget, if you've not subscribed to our channel, please, what are you waiting for? Do well to subscribe, like this video, share, and don't forget to turn on your notification so you always be the first to get our educative videos. Okay, stay tuned. So the requirements and the eligibility as seen here is that applicants must be citizens of any of the designated countries like Nigeria, Ghana, Australia, India, and many other countries, excluding Korea, of course, right? And you must be under 40 years as of September 1, 1986. So if you be 40 years after, or if you're born after September 1, 1986, means you're not eligible to go for your master's for this scholarship program or for your PhD for this Republic of Korea scholarship, right? Then all applicants must have obtained the required degree. So if you're going for your master's degree for the scholarship or in the scholarship program, you must have obtained your bachelor's degree, of course. Then if you're going for your PhD degree, it means you must have already obtained your master's degree from any of the universities, probably from your countries, before applying for your PhD. And you must also have a CGPA of 8 of 8, which is equals to or above 2.64 over 4.0. So some persons, some countries use that of 2.64, but some uses that of 4 point, 5 point, and the rest. So if you're going for any of this degree program, you must have a CGPA which is equal to or above a 2.64 or equals to or above a 4.0. And you also need to have or above a 2.80 or a 4.3, a 2.91 or a 4.5, or a 3.23 or a 5.0 CGPA to be able to apply for the scholarship. So all applicants must be in good health, both mentally and physically, to study for the full duration of this program, of this scholarship program. So if you're in any way you have any health issue or health challenges, please do well to make sure you attend to them before applying for the scholarship, as if you have any health issues or challenges, you would not be considered for the scholarship application. And as we've heard and seen earlier, that this scholarship is in Korea, right? And the application deadline is the 30th of April. So please do well to make your applications before this set application deadline. So please, you might need to find out more information about this scholarship, like I said earlier, we've made a detailed video about how to apply, the eligibility, and all you need to know about the Global Career Scholarship. Please do well to check the link in the description and check our website and our YouTube channel for all the information you need about this scholarship. The fourth on my list is the Government of Azerbaijan's 2026 scholarship. Now, this is a fully funded scholarship for both undergraduate and postgraduate applicants. And it covers your tuition fee, your international flights, your monthly allowance, medical insurance, and a visa and registration for all applicants. So I'm looking at the requirements here. If you're a citizen of Azerbaijan, you're not eligible for this scholarship, which means you must be a foreigner, an international student, to apply for the scholarship. And the age requirements for undergraduate and general medicine program is 35 years, maximum 35 years. And for a graduate and medicine residence program, so if you're going for your master's degree, and the maximum age is 40 years, and if you're going for your doctorate program, which is your PhD, the maximum age is 45 years. Okay, so the documents required for these scholarships are your academic documents, medical documents, and every other document. And all these informations and many more have been carefully uploaded on our website. The link is in the description below. And of course, we've also made a well-detailed video on the scholarship. So do well to check our YouTube channel for the scholarship. The fifth on my list is the University College London Undergraduate Scholarship, the UCL Undergraduate Scholarship. So this scholarship contains 33 scholarships that covers your full tuition fee and some that also covers your stipends, which is your monthly allowances. And the requirements of this scholarship is that you have to be eligible to pay the overseas tuition fee rate, which means you must be an international student applying for the scholarship, and you must come from a low income background and have submitted an admission application for a full-time undergraduate degree at UCL in 2026-2027. Okay, so the application deadline for this scholarship is the 27th of April 2026. So please do well to make your application before this set deadline. Now we've come to the end of this video. I trust you stayed tuned through this video, and like I've stated earlier, we've made a well-detailed video on the requirements, benefits, how to apply, and all you need to know about these scholarships and many more. And they are uploaded, or they've been uploaded, on our YouTube channel. The link is in the description below. Please do well to click on it and take your time, please, to watch all these videos as not to miss any information that you need in your application. And also, we've uploaded many of the scholarships and many others on our website. The link is also in the description below. And if you've not subscribed to our channel up until this point, you are wrong. So please do well to subscribe to our channel, turn on your notification so you don't miss out on any information at all. Like this video and do well to share to your friends, neighbors, and loved ones. See you.